Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Muhammad Azim Farhan bin Zakaria, number metric DIL 201019. So today I'm taking the part of the right of the Married Women under Married Women Act 1957. So based on the research, what I found in this act regarding the right of the married women is they are capable of, according to section 4 subsection A, they are be capable of acquiring, holding and disposing of any property. So, for the example I can give is one girl named Jamila. So, after she has married, she has the right to has her own property such as car, home, and land, and so on. So, it is not only necessary for her husband to have that all. Okay, so married women in this act also have the right to have that property such as home, car, and so on. Okay, so that is regarding the property. Okay, so the second right of married women under this act is all the married women under this act are entitled to claim the remedies. It means that all the married women are entitled to claim whatever the remedies was. Okay, so according to section 4 subsection C stated that be capable of suing and sued being sued in her name. So what is the purpose being sued or use your name in court to sue or being sued? Okay, it is for the protection and the security of her property if such property belong to her. Thank you so much. So I will pass to the next presenter.
A very good morning to madam and my fellow classmates. My name is Shine and my metric number is DIL 201050. So today I'm also going to be explaining about the rights of a woman under the Married Women's Act 1957. So the section 6 of this act states that any restriction that is applied to a woman to own a property should also be applied to a man. It says that if the restriction cannot be applied to a man but can be applied to a woman, then it is illegal. So that means that a woman have the same right as a man to own a property, because if you cannot apply the same restrictions to a woman and a man, that means you give different treatment to men and women. So to prevent this, the section 6 says all the restrictions should be applied equally to both genders. So that shows us that the Married Women Act makes things very fair for women and gives women women's rights. And that's all for my presentation. I will pass on to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Moradi Kwan. I'm gonna present the first liability. So the liability for Married Women Act 1975, the husband of a woman shall not by reason only of his being her husband, A. be liable in respect of any tort committed by her whether before or after the marriage, or B. be sued or made a party to any legal proceeding brought in respect of any such tort, or C. be liable in respect of any contract entered into or debt or obligation incurred by her before the marriage, or D. be liable in respect of any contract entered into or debt or obligation incurred by her otherwise than an agent after the marriage, or be sued or made a party to any legal proceedings brought in respect of any such contract, debt or obligation. That's all for me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Sharizam. My metric number is DIL 201052, and today I'm going to present about liabilities part 2. A woman after her marriage shall continue to be liable for all debts contracted and all contracts entered into or wrongs committed by her before her marriage, including any sums for which she is liable as a contributory, either before or after she has been placed on the list of contributories under and virtue of any written law relating to joint stock companies. Such woman may be sued for any such debt and for any liability in damages or otherwise under any such contract or in respect any such wrong. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Rezarin and my metric number is DIL 202018. I will talk about the case law which is related to Married Women Act. So the case that I found is Farida binti Dato' Talib V. Muhammad Habibullah bin Mahmud in 1919. So in short, in this case, plaintiff has taken action to restrain her husband, defendant, from assaulting, harassing or abusing her and her family, and the review defendant requests that the plaintiff action be questioned. One of the issues before the High Court was whether the plaintiff could institute the action against the defendant when Section 9 Clause 2 of the Married Woman Ordinance 1957 prohibited a wife from suing her husband in tort. However, it has been decided that Section 9 Clause 2 does not apply in this case because the plaintiff's action is based on a criminal offence committed or threatened to be committed against him. From that, defendant has filed an appeal to the Supreme Court. So, in the Supreme Court, Harun Hashim SCJ disagreed with the decision made. He said that the cause of action in the present case is clearly a tort. If this allegation of assault and battery can be proved, this may be the subject of criminal proceeding against the defendant, but this fact does not depend on the act of tort, since the plaintiff and defendant are husband and wife, and the assault and battery charges constitute the tort unrelated to the protection or security of property. The plaintiff is prohibited by Section 9 Clause 2 of the Married Woman Ordinance to sue the defendant.